Decent.
It's a giant channel. Good. Yep. All right, Ben, what do you got going on?
It's decent with good shakes.
I just slipped in that. I apologize. All right.
Yeah, big flatty. Or it might be a channel. I don't know. I think it's flatty. No, it's flatty. No, it's a channel.
It's a giant channel. Good. Yep. Just try to keep.
That's right. He wasn't ready anyways.
Ran it.
That's a huge channel. It's probably the biggest, one of the biggest channels I've ever seen.
I can't even. It won't even reel.
Just let him do his thing.
Can you move this rod, Irby? It'd be better if he's above us.
Better.
Too. When you bring him up. You must have just dropped it right on top of his head, Brandon.
I must have.
See its tail. Just be, if he gets underneath the boat, just be careful. Keep him, like, you have to get your rod tip down there because it's sharp on the bottom of that pontoon.
Sure.
You'll just cut it.
And we definitely don't want that.
Come on, knots.
He's using that current to his advantage.
Yeah.
Not quite.
Get his hand up here.
Got him. He's ours.
That's a big channel.
Jeez.
Oh.
Nice job, Brandon.
Where's the boga grips? Nice job, dude. Get some nuts.
Yeah.
Good job. That's a beast. The beast.
You just see that grab him. God, he's got a big old smell on that on him.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
I'll just hold him while you get him unhooked. Look at that head on that thing.
Wow.
Dude, he's like freaking blind in both eyes.
Oh, he's blind in, is he blind in
Both eyes.
Both eyes.
Jeez.
What
Pliers? Where the pliers at?
I might just give him to you. You grab it. And I'll get him unhooked. Since it's yours. Nice job. God, it's a beefer.
Oh my gosh. Weight wise, what is that?
Let's look up there.
I'm gonna get a couple good pictures too.
Lord, he's
12.
so he's all right. So 12. What is it? Yeah, we got. You know, he's like 13. Here.
Give him a little tail lift there, bro.
All right, you come this way
No,
as far as you
tail down a
can
little.
this way.
Bring the tail down a little bit.
I resituate.
And get you a good picture. There you go. There.
Let's get some video here, and then we'll get him back.
Look at him, he's blind in both eyes.
All right.
That's crazy.
All right, let's get him. Wow! Oh, look at that.
The sunfish still in there? No.
Yeah, just get an idea what it is. Just gonna get a quick eye 9, 18, 27, 30 something.
Okay, so he's blind. He's blind there, and he's blind right there.
Yeah.
And so, like, I got big hands, but he's got a big old head.
That is a huge head.
Big old mouth on that thing. Look at that.
Behemoth.
Nice job, Brandon.
Well, it's time to get her back, I suppose, eh?
My official first catfish.
It's a beaster.
That's a good one.
All right, get this out.
Good.
You want to hold him up just one more time? Look at that thing. Dang.
Nice, Brandon.
All right.
All right.
Yeah, I know. Hell yeah. Good job, man. That was awesome.
That didn't take long.
5 minutes and 20 seconds.
I know, but we'd like to get it. It must have dropped on his head.
Oh, so it was like,
I mean,
and then just like my pull, I could barely get it out of the holder.
I mean, he was blind and all.
Yeah. He was just because I'm blind don't mean I'm dumb.